Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Coleman RoadTrip grills that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or hosting a backyard barbecue, these grills are designed to deliver exceptional performance and portability. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the RoadTrip LX Collapsible Propane Grill. This grill is designed for portability and convenience, making it a great option for tailgating, camping, and picnics. With 20,000 BTUs of heat distributed across 2 independently adjustable burners, this grill delivers consistent performance even in extreme weather conditions, thanks to Coleman's Perfect Flow technology. The Swaptop interchangeable cooktops allow you to switch out grill grates for griddles or stove grates, giving you flexibility to cook a wide range of foods. What sets the RoadTrip LX apart is its collapsible design. The stand folds down for compact storage, and you can also use the grill as a tabletop setup if space is limited. The side tables provide extra prep space, which is a thoughtful addition for outdoor cooking. However, at 50 pounds, this grill is on the heavier side, so you'll need to account for its weight when transporting it. The aluminum and PTFE materials used in its construction ensure durability but require proper care to maintain their quality. While its price is not available at the moment, the RoadTrip LX offers a premium cooking experience with features like adjustable burners and a push-button ignition system. It's ideal for users who want a versatile and portable grill for outdoor adventures, but are willing to handle its slightly bulky design. On the downside, it doesn't include propane cylinders, and you'll need to purchase those separately. Overall, it's a solid choice for those looking for a reliable and adaptable propane grill. Coming in at number 3 is the RoadTrip 225 Portable Tabletop Grill. This compact grill is perfect for those who prioritize portability without compromising on performance. It features 2 adjustable burners that provide up to 11,000 BTUs of cooking power, allowing you to precisely control the temperature for different types of food. With a spacious 225 square inch graying area, it's large enough to prepare meals for small groups while still being easy to transport. The tabletop design means it arrives fully assembled and ready to use, which is a huge plus for those who want a hassle-free setup. Its lightweight build at just 25.6 pounds makes it a breeze to carry, making it ideal for camping trips, tailgating, or even small balcony barbecues. The push-button ignition system ensures matchless lighting, adding to its user-friendly design. However, it's worth noting that you'll need to purchase propane cylinders separately, which adds to the overall cost of ownership. The RoadTrip 225 Tabletop Grill is a great option for those who want a straightforward, portable grill that excels in performance and ease of use. While it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-ranked models, its simplicity is part of its charm. On the downside, it doesn't include side tables or additional prep space, which may limit its functionality for larger gatherings. Overall, it's a reliable choice for anyone seeking a compact, no-fuss grill. At number 2, we have the RoadTrip 225 Portable Propane Grill. This model elevates the tabletop version by adding sturdy quick-fold legs and wheels, making it easy to set up and transport. With 11,000 BTUs of cooking power and 2 adjustable burners, it offers precise temperature control for a variety of foods. The 225 square inch grilling surface provides ample space for cooking meals for small gatherings, whether you're at the campsite, tailgate, or backyard. One standout feature of this grill is its portability. The quick fold legs and wheels make setup and takedown a breeze, while the push-button ignition ensures matchless lighting without the need for matches or lighters. The grease tray and side table add convenience for cleanup and food preparation, making it a well-rounded option for outdoor cooking. At 35.12 pounds, it's slightly heavier than the tabletop model, but still manageable for most users. Priced at $274.99, the RoadTrip 225 Portable Propane Grill offers great value for those seeking a mid-range option with added portability and convenience. Its design and features make it ideal for tailgaters, campers, and anyone looking for a reliable and easy-to-use grill. The main downside is that propane cylinders are sold separately, but this is standard across most Coleman grills. If portability and performance are your top priorities, this model is an excellent choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the premium RoadTrip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill. This is the ultimate choice for those who want top-notch performance combined with convenience. With 20,000 BTUs of cooking power and 3 independently adjustable burners, this grill offers precise temperature control for a variety of foods. Its 285 square inch grilling surface is large enough to cook for a crowd, and the integrated thermometer ensures you can monitor cooking temperatures with ease. The design is as practical as it is stylish. The sturdy, quick-fold legs and wheels make it easy to transport, while the push-button Insta-Start ignition system ensures hassle-free lighting. At 46.7 pounds, it's heavier than other models on the list, but its build quality and features justify the weight. The powder-coated finish adds durability, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. Additionally, the 3-year limited warranty offers peace of mind for buyers. Priced at $314.99, the RoadTrip 285 is the most expensive option on this list, but its features and performance make it worth the investment. It's perfect for anyone who wants a high-performing grill for camping, tailgating, or backyard barbecues. The main downside is the weight and the fact that propane cylinders are sold separately, but these are minor trade-offs for the premium experience it delivers. If you're looking for the best Coleman grill on the market, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.